Hello all. So in this video, this is an continuation of the previous video. So the previous video, if you have seen, means these are the things which we have done. We have imported and called the data set, and we have just neglected some object variables, and the object variables which we needed, we have just changed that string to integer, and also the data set was having some infinite values. For that also we have done some pre-processing and all. Now we can just move with this ANN from scratch. In this ANN we have just used two layers, so which two are dense. In the first dense layer we have called 11 filters. Activation we are using is ReLU. Then the input dimension which we are calling is 15, this 15. Next up, since this is an binary classification, we are using 1 in this, and the activation is a sigmoid for binary, and the loss which we are using is binary cos entropy. Optimizer is Adam, matrix is accuracy. So now we are just running. Then we are just fitting the model. By in fitting we are calling this at x train, y train, then the validation data, and the approaches here we are giving us 50. Why we if you need some other approaches, means in this case you have to just change that. If you need 10 means you change 10, or else if you need some other means you can give that number which you need. So now I am running this code. Here we are getting failed to convert an UMP array to a tensor. So we was not working this simultaneously in the previous code. So we can run this simultaneously here. That is one by one. Now you can see the code is running. So this is the code for artificial neural network from scratch. So you can see it was getting nearly 95% validation accuracy. So finally we have to display the values of accuracy, both training and validation accuracy, and both the training and validation loss. For a better system, you may know that apart from training loss or accuracy, the validation loss or accuracy should be only show better values. For a better model, the validation parameter should only show better results. So we have to check whether training approach parameters or validation parameters are showing better results. For that we are just displaying this graph. We are just running this. In this here we can just check as accuracy. This error is common, so here you have to change. So we have not a declared plot. For that we have to, because this is just an declaration error. You can just check with the Stack Overflow. It will be showing you the better thing what we have to done. We have to just import it. So this is the thing which we have to do. So here we have to add this here, and now run this. So you can see we got the value graph. So, and also you can notice that here only the training accuracy is increasing, and also the when compared to this validation accuracy, the training accuracy is only better. But for a better system, only the training validation accuracy should only increase. So in this case we can just check with some other models. So in the next video, the same with the same data set, we will work with the CNN data model, whether it is showing better results than this ANN. Thank you.